My doctor told me that tinnitus is a harbinger of Alzheimer's disease. When I was around 40, I used to listen to rock music for about 20 hours a day. That gave me tinnitus right at the peak of my career. I don't want to give up on my music career just yet, and I sure as hell don't want to end up with Alzheimer's because of it. This naturopath from Australia, Barbara O'Neill, she recommended Texilin to me.
Tinnitus isn't really an ear disorder. It's more like a buzzing sound inside the temporal lobe of your brain. You inhale Texilin directly through your respiratory tract, so it targets your brain right away without having to go through your digestive system, providing faster relief.
I've only been using it for 2 weeks, once or twice a day, and my tinnitus hasn't happened again since. Without Texilin to ease my tinnitus, there probably wouldn't be a new album, Songs of Surrender. Thanks to Texilin for treating my tinnitus. If you've got tinnitus too, you should place an order ASAP. Texilin, an official product of the American Tinnitus Association, won't let you down.